Welcome back everyone. Today we're in the potting shed for Single Seed Potato Challenge 2026. So let me show you what's going on in here. Okay, these are my 4 plants for the Single Seed Potato Challenge. They're all doing rather well actually. This one's got 3 shoots coming off it, so I'm going to see if I can split that and get 3 plants from that one plant. I'm also going to pot them on into these larger pots. I've got a tub of my own compost, so I'm going to see if I can get these into larger pots today. Other things going in here, the chili peppers appear to be doing okay. New growth is looking much better, much healthier. I did get a lot of good suggestions from people. Got suggestions from Kelly down at the Old Lotte, Alison from My Rusty Garden, Stella from Growing with Stella, and Trevor 666 1000, and they all seem to agree that it's down to a watering issue. It seems like I've been overwatering them, which I can fully believe, and so I've hung back with the watering. It's actually much easier to get to them and water them in here than where they were, because of the spare bedroom was crammed full of furniture while I was doing the decorating. But that's them. The aubergines, I've potted them on in larger pots this week, and over here I've got my tomatoes. I've got some tomatoes in there. That's a Siberian Panther. And there. This is basil. It's just bog standard basil. These are, I don't know whether you can see them. That's more tomatoes. That's Pink Panther, Arthur Pink Panther. And in here I've got my sunflowers, I've got some other flowers, I've got Livingston daisies and chrysanthemums, and I've got one cauliflower because that's all it germinated. Over in here I've got the red pear cherry tomatoes, which are doing nicely, and I've got celeriac in that last one. I've also moved a few things outside. Let's go and have a look. I bought a table to put everything out here. Everything's got to be above the ground because otherwise Nelly would just eat everything. So I've got some, what do you call them? The flowers, distinctive leaves. Oh, come to me. And here I've got some red drumhead cabbages, and I've got some pak choy. These are going to be going up to the plot of the weekend. I've got some stromboli calabrese and some greyhound cabbages, a few nasturtiums, some kale, beetroot. This is Swede, best of all, or all year round, and these are my spring onions. And over in here I've got my leeks. These are all my leeks which were sown in clumps, so that's the leeks. So they're actually doing quite well. So there's a lot of things going on at the minute, and I will be putting them up. These are, I'll put a notice on the video because I can't remember the name of them. But yeah, that's all the plants so far. So anyway, Single Seed Potato Challenge. Let's see if we can get something done with these. I'll start with the one that I feel that I might be able to, well, no, I'll do the other ones first, get them out of the way, and that'll give me more room to work on this one with the 3 stems. So hang on a little moment, I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to see if I can get all the soil off this plant, to see what I'm working with. And what I'll do is I'll wash it off. This is just to help me see what I'm doing here. Right, there's the chunk of a potato. And all three are coming from basically the top part. Right, I'm going to try cutting these apart to get 3 plants. Let me just get rid of this water, because if I don't, I know I'm just going to end up spilling it everywhere. I can sit there. Right, knife, potato, so I think if I cut down this one first, and that gives me 3 plants, hopefully, each with a piece of potato and their own individual roots. So I started with 4, now I've got 7, so that's good. Right, let's get some soil. As I said, this is just my own compost made from kitchen scraps and bunny waste. And garden waste as well, some garden waste. Now I'll be keeping an eye on these for the next few days to make sure they don't suddenly keel over. Okay, that's one. Hope I've got enough compost here. We're supposed to be getting rain all afternoon. We've had 2 little showers of next to nothing. Seeing that, it's just started again. So that's 3 showers. I hope these all take. I was watching a video earlier and it was Stella from Growing with Stella, and she cut up her potato and potted it on, and it all rotted. So that was really unfortunate. Never seen anything like it, really. Oh yeah, plenty of compost. knife back. So what I'm doing, I'm just making a hole big enough for the plant and repotting it really. And that's it. I'll take them out with the others. Sorry, bumped the camera. Well, it didn't take long to fill up this table. Right, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I thought I had 7. 6. Okay, 6. There you go. Single Sweet Potato Challenge 2026.